how I play with these words, I do that. Damn. They say I'm driving them crazy. I'm the shit that you already.
What's up, Dancing Gems? Hey. So this is a whole nother vlog. I'm about to be on my way to Rip It. Shout out to my friend Camille. She does my hair. Her friend Piper does waxes, and she's like inexpensive and really good too. I'm just nervous. Let's pray. Lord God, please don't let it. Okay, I'm nervous only because it's my first wax, but I really needed it only because two things. Photo shoot Saturday. A lot of pictures that I'm taking, I'm not going to give it away, require me, and I need to have on whatever, and I can't be doing that, and, can't be looking like, a jungle. Not saying I do, but And the second thing, I always wanted to try one, and I'm happy I found her because she's good. And she's a sweetheart. Like, she's my friend's friend, so I already know she's going to be great. And she's probably going to, coach me through it and everything. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. And it's going to be, get ready with me from my birthday shoot. And it's going to be my first wax appointment. So anybody, like I said, that I'm using for anything, for hair, nails, makeup, photo shoot, all of that, you guys will see down in the description below. I'm not even going to say it. It's just going to pop up for what y'all need to do. And we're going to get started on the video. So I'm about to go ahead and drive, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Okay, guys. So it was a 20-minute drive. I had to hop on the highway. I made it. It took me a minute to find it because, when you're driving and you're trying to find stuff, it's kind of harder, especially if it's not, lit up. Found the place. I'm about to go in. If I do come back on camera with me doing the reaction of how I got it done, not showing you everything, but y'all know how people do when they get their waxes done for the first time. If I come back on camera, that means I am able to film. If I don't and it skips to me being home or, I don't know, maybe 3 hours later, I don't know. We shall see. That means that she didn't want me to record, which I'm not trying to say she's rude, but that's, some people, they want to protect their business. But I got to go in here because my appointment is literally about to come up. Prayerfully, I'm okay. I don't have no medicine. I forgot to take ibuprofen, and I normally carry it in my bag, and it's not in there. And if it is, I can't find it. And if it is, I'm going to find it later. I'm going to be mad. But let's go inside and get my first wax. Oh, my God. Pray for me. So we are at Rip It in Maryland with my friend Piper. Shout out to my friend Camille. Oh, yes. For recommending me. Yes.
Are you from here?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so shout out your page and everything.
Hi, I'm Piper from Rip It. Don't shave it, rip it. Don't buy no razors. Remember me.
Period.
And I'm in Arbutus, Maryland, so come book your appointment.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm laying on the table. I'm about to get it done. Let's just say Piper's really cool. So if y'all ever come get y'all waxes done, she's cool. So you'll be okay. Just know, my soul's about to be ripped out of my body. I'm so mad I didn't take medicine. Oh my God. Jesus, give me the strength. But I guess I'll be back when she's ripping it off. Oh God. Well, how dare y'all tell me this being a woman is painful? But it's okay. Beauty is pain, and it's going to be worth it at the end. It is. It will be worth it. Oh, Lord. It's hot. Child, Jesus.
Dang, that went absolutely nowhere.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. That was so embarrassing.
Oh, Lord.
Not the Lord.
Let me see. Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh. So how many swipes does it normally take?
So that wax is soft wax. Soft wax I really like because it's strong. It usually can take almost everything in one pass. Like if you look, this section is bald.
Oh.
Whereas hard wax would need
That's the brown one?
No, hard wax comes in multiple colors. All of them do. But that's the hard. It's that's the one that don't require a strip. You got dry.
Whew.
Yeah, I think the no cuss is really a challenge. Well, I don't know about for you. I don't know if you curse.
I do.
It would be a challenge for me.
I do curse, but it's like I'm still a lady at the end of the day. Because I know who watches my videos. But even if they see me cursing, it's like, I don't know if I try to be like, oh my God, Diamond cussing. like a sailor. I'm trying to not curse as much. It's not that bad, guys. I'm going to say that. It's not what I anticipated, but I wanted to be over. But I had something. You see? Oh. So she's cleaning up. I was not going to record the whole thing because there was some parts I was in here. Whoa, Jesus. But she did such a good job. So gentle. So I will be back. Make sure y'all definitely hit up Piper.
Don't shave it, rip it.
Yes. It's hot. Whatever this is.
Okay. Is it too hot? You want me to let it cool?
Yeah, let it cool. So guys, I'm done. And it was not that bad. I must have a high pain tolerance because I only said like, oh, geez, oh, like a few times. But Miss Lady right here, Miss Piper, did such a good job. So make sure you come to rip it and don't shave it, rip it, period. Thank you so much, my love.
Bitch on the shit like a diaper. I get it lit like a lighter.